Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Rajat Bose. I'm from Recrop Infrastructures, and today we are talking about a new project by Puravankara Builders by the name Puva Palm Beach. So, as we know, Puravankara Builders have been in business since long time. The company was founded in 1975, and Puravankara Builders have believed that there is only one mantra for the success, and that is quality. This credo combined with uncompromising values, customer centric, robust engineering, and transparency in business operations has placed it among the most preferred real estate brands in both residential and commercial segments. So, their latest offering is Puravankara Palm Beach, and this is planned on the lines of Tropical Beach Resort. This apartment project spread over 19.37 acres with a central courtyard, the lagoon, on approximately 4 acres, promises to replicate the sights and sounds of the sea in Bangalore. Actually, the inspiration to launch this project in Bangalore arose from the collective dreams of successful people, people who are relentlessly busy working without breaks, people who, in spite of their busy bee existence, still nurture the hope of taking a short vacations and getaway by the sea. They are offering home that brings the landscape of beach and tropical backwaters at your doorstep in Bangalore so that you continue to enjoy your extended stay at tropical paradise. There are different pools available like snorkeling pool which swim, float and explore in an aqua park, and there's a wave pool which is one of its unique feature provided by the project. There are different pools with a sunken bar, golf putting green is there, kai pond is there, ballet room, culture clubs are there, lego building blocks rooms, and stargazing is also there. So these are some of the unique features uh, offered by the project. Some of the key highlights for the project is that the location for the project is Hennur Road, and the total land area is 19.5 acres. And number of units is 1323 units with 19 blocks, and the structure of the towers are like ground plus 19 floors, and the unit variants available are 2 BHK and 3 BHK, and this is a ready to move in project. Now let's talk about the pricing and the space this project offers. So in a 2 BHK apartment, the space wise it is 1232 to 1348 square feet, and the price will start from 84 lakhs onwards. Whereas on 3 BHK, it comes between 1482 to 1846 square feet, and the price will start from 1.11 crores onwards. And also this project is loaded with different amenities like landscape at podium level with a swimming pool, fish tank, and wave pool, kai pond, palm court, beach volleyball court, barbecue party deck, children's play area, entry court, the ramp, jogging track, observation deck, sand castle pit, water cassette, Palm Island, and Sunken Bar, and many more. So, all in all, this project offers a lot of amenities at a price it is asking. Also, based upon a great location, this is a good investment to be made. And that's all from our side. Thank you so much for joining and have a great day.